We are continuing our team coverage of this winter storm tonight. Now, time to get an update from the southeastern part of the state.
Fox 61's Stefan Reels is live in Mystic. He's been there all day with a look at how conditions are there. Stefan.
Yeah, Sarah, Brent, I'm no meteorologist, but it definitely feels like we've shifted from the snowflakes we saw earlier today to sleet that's now trying to slice my face. But we've seen precipitation, I should say, all over the course of the day. It started around 9, and that's slowly been making the roads really rough out here. But I want to take you to take a look at your screen. That's what we were dealing with a little bit earlier today, where we saw several cars spin out or struggle to navigate the roads while crews plowed across New London County. And I also had the chance to speak with New London Mayor Michael Passero tonight, and overall he told me that he is pleased with how people have obeyed the parking bans downtown in New London. The issue, he says, is that they've run into in neighborhoods where people have not followed the alternative parking rules, and that's made it hard for plows to make it through narrow streets.
We haven't seen this kind of snow in probably more than 5 or 6 years at least. And it's going to take us quite a while to remove it.
And overall, right now, Passero says that we will probably get a clear idea of how long it'll take to get rid of all of this snow tomorrow morning. So that is something our morning team will be keeping an eye on as well, so we can keep you guys updated as this storm continues and hopefully comes to an end very soon. But Passero did tell me that the hope is that crews will be able to continue their work. So he asked that people move their cars off the streets. And if you need a better option, you can use the Water Street parking garage. That is free in New London for the time being. But for now, live in Mystic, Stefan Reels, Fox 61.